What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Run by Joji. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning and it plays through a few different chords that mainly just repeat throughout the entire song. Once you get to the solo, it changes up just a little bit, but it's still pretty much the same exact picking pattern that happens throughout the entire song. As always, if you need this guitar tab, I have made it for you and I put it in the bottom of the video description. So if you need it, once you get done with the video, jump into the description. The tab is there for you. So you're starting out with an E minor chord. It's going to be middle finger, 2nd fret, A string, ring finger, 2nd fret, D string, and you're going to pick E, D, G, B, and then back to G, back to D. E, D, G, B, G, D. Then put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the low E string. Move your ring finger down to the 2nd fret of the G string and put your index finger on the 1st fret of the D string and pick those exact same strings. E, D, G, B, G, D. So from the E minor, then you're technically going to a G chord, but all you need is your ring finger on the low E on the 3rd fret, picking the exact same strings. E, D, G, B, G, D. And everything else is open except the 3rd fret on the low E with your ring finger. So again. Then the little riff that they're playing there that happens right after this G chord is 3 on the A string, 2 on the A string, open on the A string, 3rd fret low E, and then open on the A. 3, 2, open, 3, open. And then that open A starts you on the picking for your A minor, which is going to be your middle finger, 2nd fret, D string, ring finger, 2nd fret, G string, index finger, 1st fret, B string. You pluck that A open already, and then you pick D, G, B, G, D, A, D, G, and then pluck that same riff again. So starting with that first time after the G, it looks like this. And then you pick through it again. D, G, B, G, D. And then you pick through it one more time. A, D, G, B, G, D. And then everything starts over. So again, starting from the riff the first time, it looks like. Start over. Now, like I said, that just plays throughout the entire song until you get to the solo, and right when the electric guitar comes in for the solo, you hit two of those riffs back to back. So the same thing we've been playing all song, you just play 2 of them back to back. So, but then it jumps back into the E minor, and you strum through the E, your next chord here, the G, and then the A minor without the riff, and you're just strumming through each, or you're plucking through each of them once, and that's just repeating throughout the rest of the solo and throughout the rest of the song. It just ends that way. So once you go your riff here, you jump back into here. Except right here, instead of doing the riff again, you just jump right to the A minor, and you pick A, D, G, B, G, D. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.